7 investing secrets Warren Buffett really wants you to know. Warren Buffett dishes out sage investing advice to those who want to build real wealth. Warren Buffett is worth $100 billion and is one of the best American investors of all time. He's shared his wisdom with investors over the years, helping new and experienced investors learn to be like Buffett. Welcome to Alpha Finance. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Here are 7 investing secrets from the Oracle of Omaha himself to help you boost your bank account today. Number 1. Don't pick individual stocks. Warren Buffett has built his holding company, Berkshire Hathaway, into a $300 billion portfolio on the backs of large investments in individual companies. But contrary to his personal investing style, Buffett doesn't recommend that retail investors pick stocks, but build a diversified portfolio of low-cost funds instead. In an interview with CNBC, Buffett said, "The trick is not to pick the right company. The trick is to essentially buy all the big companies through the S&P 500 and to do it consistently, and to do it in a very, very low-cost way." Buffett realizes that most investors are not professionals with decades of experience evaluating stocks. That's why he recommends buying funds that hold hundreds of stocks, such as an S&P 500 index fund. Number 2. Start investing early. Warren Buffett was asked in 1999 how to make $30 billion. His answer? Start young. We started building this little snowball at the top of a very long hill. The trick is to have a very long hill, which means starting very young or living to be very old. Buffett equated building wealth with rolling a snowball down a hill. You may start with a small amount, but through the power of compound interest, your money will grow, just like a snowball picking up snow on the way down. And the earlier you start, the longer your runway is to build your snowball into a massive amount of wealth. Number 3. Invest for the long term. In his 1988 letter to investors, Warren Buffett famously said, "My favorite holding period is forever." Buffett is a fan of investing for long periods to give his investments the chance to grow and compound. And when looking at investments, he advises investing in something you plan on holding for a very long time. In fact, in his 1996 annual letter to shareholders, Buffett said, "If you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Investing for the long term allows you to ignore the ups and downs of the market and focus on the bigger picture. It also keeps you from trying to time the market, which typically results in lower returns over your lifetime." Number 4. Keep cash on hand. During times of market turbulence, having a stockpile of cash on hand allows you to survive a long downturn, as well as scoop up deals on investments. In the recent annual shareholders meeting, Buffett mentioned that Berkshire Hathaway keeps cash on hand for this very reason. "We believe in having cash. There have been a few times in history, and there will be more times in history where if you don't have it, you don't get to play the next day." As markets continue to struggle in 2022, Buffett is holding cash for upcoming investment opportunities as well as to keep companies afloat. He further emphasizes this point about holding cash by saying, "It's like oxygen. It's there all the time, but if it disappears for a few minutes, it's all over." Number 5. Don't invest in crypto. It's no secret that both Warren Buffett and his investing partner, Charlie Munger, are not fans of cryptocurrency. In fact, Buffett called Bitcoin rat poison squared. Buffett is a fan of investing in productive assets that actually produce something tangible. According to Buffett, he doesn't understand exactly what it is that Bitcoin does. "If you owned all of the Bitcoin in the world and you offered it to me for $25, I wouldn't take it, because what would I do with it? I'll have to sell it back to you one way or another. It isn't going to do anything." While cryptocurrency is a dynamic new asset class, Buffett doesn't believe in its long-term potential and even told CNBC he would never have a position in cryptocurrency. Number 6. Invest in yourself. With inflation at a 40-year high in 2022 and job cuts growing in the tech sector, Buffett shared advice for students on Good Morning America. Investing in yourself is the best thing you can do. anything that improves your own talents. And I always advise students to do that. High school students, college students, and obviously investing in your children is in some ways investing in yourself. Buffett continued, if you have true talent yourself and you have maximized your talent, you have a terrific asset. While investing in the stock market is one way to grow your wealth, investing in your own skills and growth can be lucrative as well. Whether it's taking classes to improve your skills or learning a new skill through an apprenticeship, investing in yourself always pays off. Number 7. Keep buying. When the market is down, it can be tempting to stop investing until things start to get better. But Buffett says the opposite is true. Continuing to invest no matter what the market does is the best plan. In an interview with CNBC, he said, "The temptation when you see bad headlines in newspapers is to say, well, maybe I should skip a year or something. Just keep buying. American business is going to do fine over time, so you know the investment universe is going to do very well." This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, encourages investors to invest on a regular schedule and ignore the news. Over the long term, the average purchase price of your investments will go down as the market drops, allowing you to profit even more. Hope you did not aware of these facts before. If you have any other ones, let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.